Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today is day 2 of our Rabbitry deconstruction. We are working on getting the roofing panels off the middle and the other side of the Rabbitry, and then we're going to be shifting things around. So right now my husband's working on getting the roofing panels up, so I'm going to go and help him. I'm going to get you guys on a tripod. Alright, so we got all of the roofing panels off of this side of the Rabbitry and off the walkway, and all of the walkway supports are removed. So now we're going to go ahead and move this side of the Rabbitry over there. She's starting to take shape. Anyone take some guesses as to what we're doing? Leave them in the comments below. got all of our side supports in, and we repurposed the old roof as the siding on the back wall. I might have enough fence panels pieces to do the two sides here, and now we're just putting the roof on. Alrighty, we got the roof all on, and she's looking good. Now I would record this next part, but my phone is gonna die and I only have today to work on this project, so I'm going to call it short, and I will just update you guys in the next video as to what we did. Basically, we're just moving the rabbits over and getting it set up over here. We're not doing anything else to the other side. We were just expanding this side and making it bigger. So yeah, we're just moving the rabbits over, getting the hallway established, the rabbit cages, so on and so forth, getting the watering system reset up. And yeah, that's about it. So I will update you guys in the next video once everything is completed here. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead, leave them in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. And also, if you can guess what we're doing, go ahead and leave that in the comments too. Alrighty guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.